Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this Bath & Body Works wellness collection. I'm going to review all the pieces of this for you, and I'm trying them out. I want to give you my impression of all of them. And today I want to talk about the Blueberry Extract Glowing. This is the Intense Repair Hair Mask. Now the Blueberry collection also includes the body butter. Oh my gosh, I really like this body butter, by the way. I gotta review this. I feel like it's a little bit thinner than the regular body butter, but I'm loving this formula. I've got the fruit extract scrub in my shower. I've been using that. And then I need to get the lotion in the blueberry because I'm really loving that lotion for summer. So I've kind of been waiting for Bath & Body Works to bring us a hair mask back. I don't know if anyone remembers these. These are pretty awesome. I do have 3 of these left. These were the hair masks from, I want to say like 2 years ago. We had avocado smoothing. We had the bamboo strengthening, and then we had the hibiscus shine. And I do, kind of roll these into my hair care routine. So if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know that I talk about my hair system a lot. So I have really big, thick hair. I'm 51 years old, and this is actually the longest my hair has been since high school. Because usually what happens is if it grows past about this point, it starts to get dry and brittle, and I have a lot of problems with it. So about a year ago, I did discover a Korean beauty product called Elastine Propoly Thera. Actually, Avon sells this now. I'll put my link. I actually have another channel called Beauty Geek, so I'll put that link below if you guys want to check out my other channel. I do talk about the Propoly Thera hairline a lot. Does have royal jelly in it, and since I've been using this hair care system, there's a serum, there's an oil, there's a aloe dual serum. I feel like my hair has been in the best condition it's ever been in. As you also know, I do tend to use the Lush hair bars in my routine. So for the most part, I use the Elastine Propoly Thera probably like 5 days a week. I use the shampoo. I use this hair mask about twice a week. This is a really thick hair mask. You gotta have some time in the shower to use this one because when you put it on, it takes a while to rinse out. It does have a very heavy floral scent. I also, like I said, I use the Lush hair bar now about twice a week because I feel like that gives me like that squeaky clean kind of feeling where it just rinses. It's almost like a clarifying shampoo to me, the hair bars. So I do use those about twice a week. And then I really do like the Bath & Body Works hair masks too. So the Blueberry Extract one I did use last night. This is 5 ounces. I think I probably use this about once a week. You don't get a lot of product in here. And then, because my hair is so long, I need a lot of product. So this one, as you can see on my hand, I'm going to put a little bit on here. It's pretty thick for a conditioner. As far as the mask, I've seen thicker masks. I think the Propoly Thera is a little bit thicker. To me, this feels like, I don't know if this is going to make sense, it feels like a cream rinse mask, if that makes sense. Remember cream rinse from the 70s? You'd put it on, it would make your hair real slippery, and then you would rinse it out. This kind of feels like a cream rinse mask. It doesn't feel quite as heavy as, like I said, my Propoly Thera mask, but I feel like it did a really good job on my hair. It smells really nice. It's got like that nice blueberry scent to it. Like I said, this is what it looks like on my hand. So what I did last night then was I washed my hair with my Propoly Thera shampoo, rinsed it out real good, and then I applied the Intense Repair hair mask, and I left it in for probably about 5 minutes. It rinsed out really smooth. Like it felt silky when I rinsed it out. And then I just did I actually have not styled my hair at all this morning, nor have I added any additional product. So usually what I do is I always wash my hair at night. I never have time to wash it in the morning because it takes too long to dry. About 7 o'clock, like I'll take a shower and then I comb out my hair with a wet brush. I usually don't dry it because I hate sitting there for like 2 hours with the hair dryer. My hair takes a long time to dry. I basically just, brush it with a wet brush. And then by the time I go to bed at like 11, it's pretty much dry. And then I just run my wet brush through it again before I go to bed. And then, like I said, in the morning, I just, brush it through. Usually I will put like a hair serum on or a hair oil. I didn't this morning, just so I could show you what my hair looked like just using this. So I'm actually really happy with the shine. I feel like it did give me a little bit of shine there. I was like, wow, that was pretty impressive. So overall, I really like this. They are, how much are these? $13.50. I would rather get them on sale, like the buy three, get three, but I want to work this into my hair routine. Because like I said, I'm real fussy about my hair routine. And I've always been a fan of the Bath & Body Works masks. So my new hair routine, I think, is going to be that I use this maybe once or twice a week. Like I said, I do use my Propalithera once or twice a week, so I'm going to probably move this in. So I'm using a mask maybe 3 to 4 times a week, and I feel like that keeps my hair conditioned enough to stay long. Like I said, I've never been able to wear my hair long because every time it grows, it just gets dry on the bottom. So thank goodness for hair masks. But I'm really impressed with this one. It has no artificial dyes. Whatever they're putting in there, the vitamin E, the vitamin B5, the blueberry extract, it's definitely doing something for my hair. I'm loving it. I really hope that Bath & Body Works does have some new hair masks for the summer because I would buy them all. So anyway, let me know if you've tried it. I'm really curious. Thank you so much, as always, for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.